This is Pampered Chef Recipes. My name is KJ, and this is my home kitchen. I am an independent consultant with Pampered Chef. Today on Pampered Chef Recipes, I'm going to be making, well, a new family favorite. It's a rotisserie chicken in our Deluxe air fryer. If you've been watching for the last few weeks, you'll know that I'm a brand new consultant with Pampered Chef. Well, as part of my new consultant kit, I opted to get the Deluxe air fryer. I wasn't really sure that I needed it. We're a family of two. We cook all the time. We never thought we needed an air fryer. We have an oven. So when this rotisserie chicken option came up, I was intrigued. So this is what sold me on the Deluxe air fryer. The ingredients you'll need for this recipe are 1 whole chicken with gizzards removed, 2 tablespoons of butter, and a good amount of salt. Your chicken is relatively dry to start, and then you're going to make pockets underneath the skin of the breast for the butter. Make sure that you add salt to the top and rub it in really good. Get the wings, and the legs, and don't forget the inside, and of course the back. This would be the time to add any other seasonings that you like to. The next step is to use cooking twine to tie up the legs and get the wings tied to the breast. The Deluxe air fryer comes with a spit and 2 forks. Forks come with these screws. You want to loosen those screws up pretty good. And then put it on the end of the spit, like so. And then screw it down. You'll need this part, this little notch right here, to go into the air fryer. Then take this part all the way through. You're gonna poke into the meat and come out the other end. Like that. And tighten that screw as well. Got your chicken on a spit, like that. You want to use your retrieval tool to put it into the air fryer. So this goes in to that hole right there, and then you push, and it nestles in the other side, just like that. And you want to turn your dial until it says rotisserie. And then you want to hit the go button. Your time will blink. Set it for 1 hour. Then go. And then rotate. And it is going. You can turn on the light and see. Chicken. The link to the Deluxe air fryer, as well as the instructions for everything that I did to make this rotisserie chicken, will be in the description below. well, it's finished. Not too bad for an hour. This was a good reason for us to get an air fryer. We like rotisserie chicken and we use it throughout the week. This certainly has made our meal times much simpler. There are lots of other ways that you could season the chicken before putting it in the rotisserie. Please consider subscribing and sharing our content with other folks who enjoy cooking at home. Thanks for watching.